All right, so let's get into this. You see this company, ProRecruit, and it looks like they're just pumping out hundreds of free online tutorials, right? But if you dig just a little bit deeper, you realize that's not the whole story, not even close. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the two very different faces of ProRecruit and the absolutely brilliant strategy that connects them.
And really, that's the big question here, isn't it? How on earth does a small staffing agency, a really small one in Pakistan, suddenly become this global classroom for digital marketing? It seems kind of weird. But the answer? Well, it just might be a blueprint for a whole new way of doing business.
So first, let's look at the side of the company that most people see. This is ProRecruit, the educator. You'll find them mostly on YouTube, where they call themselves the ProRecruit Learning Society. And they are seriously prolific, constantly putting out a ton of free educational content.
Just listen to the tone they use here. This is from a LinkedIn post they did. Is your website feeling a bit static? It's so friendly and relatable, you know? They're speaking directly to a problem a web designer might be having. They're not just some boring lecturer. They're positioning themselves as the helpful expert in the room. And they are doing this at a serious scale. Get this, over 230 videos on YouTube, almost 5,000 subscribers there, and more than 7,400 followers on LinkedIn. I mean, come on, those are not small-time numbers. They've built up this huge global audience of people who want to learn, all by just posting one helpful tutorial after another.
So what exactly are they teaching this huge audience? Well, it's not just some random business advice. No, it's a super specific, super modern curriculum built for exactly what's happening in the digital world right now. And this just nails it. They're teaching people how to use the exact tools that are blowing up right now. We're talking web design with Framer and Figma, SEO using things like Wix and Google Analytics, project management with ClickUp and Asana. They're even getting into lead generation with tools like Apollo.io. They're not just teaching, they're basically creating experts. Okay, so you look at all this, hundreds of videos, thousands of followers, and you have to ask, all right, so they're just an online school, right? I mean, it makes perfect sense. But that's where the story takes a turn. Because when you actually look at who they say they are, you get a completely different answer. And there it is, right from their own LinkedIn page and their website. Their core mission, their actual business, is recruitment and staffing. They're not a school that just happens to have recruit in the name. They're a full-on recruitment agency that happens to run a school. So let's meet the other face of ProRecruit. This is who they really are at their core. A business consulting and staffing agency started back in 2020 and based out of Lahore, Pakistan. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Check out the company size. 2 to 10 employees. That's it. This tiny team is the engine behind that gigantic library of content and that global audience of thousands. And their main services? It's not selling online courses. It's providing staff, planning workforces, and finding virtual assistants for other businesses. So how in the world do these two things connect? This is where the whole strategy just clicks into place. You see, the online school isn't a side hustle. It's the fuel, the rocket fuel for their core recruitment business. Let's break down their little 3-step growth engine. It's a perfect playbook, really. First, they use all these amazing free tutorials to pull in a huge audience from all over the world. Second, by showing off how much they know, they build trust, so businesses looking to hire see them as the experts and become potential clients. And third, and this is the absolute genius part, the huge community of people they're teaching becomes their own private, pre-trained talent pool to hire from. Think about it like this. They teach you how to build a website, which attracts clients who need to hire a web developer. They teach you how to manage a project, and then they offer vetted project managers. They teach you how to generate leads, and what do you know? One of their main services is providing virtual assistants for lead generation. It's a perfect, beautiful loop. And the sheer size of this thing is just mind-boggling for a company that small. You combine their communities on LinkedIn and YouTube, and you've got a lead gen machine and a talent pool of over 12,000 people from across the globe, all built with free videos. Wow. So what's the big takeaway here? Well, ProRecruit isn't just some clever company. They might actually be showing us the playbook for the future, a new blueprint for how service businesses, especially recruitment agencies, can totally dominate in this digital age. When you boil it all down, it's this. Education is their marketing, and the community they build is their talent pool. Instead of having to hunt for candidates and send a million cold emails, they have this amazing, engaged group of people who are already learning the exact skills their clients need. It's a total game changer.
And that leaves us with one last big idea to chew on. This whole strategy from ProRecruit makes you ask a much bigger question, doesn't it? In a world where what you know is everything, is it possible that your best marketing tool and your best recruiting tool are actually the exact same thing?